Right, traders, welcome back. So, if you didn't catch my recap yesterday, we finished up 1209. Finished April 1209. And we're a few minutes into the market open, and we have SOBR and LABT. Also, check out Mr. Profit. I just launched tags, so now you're able to tag your trades. I launched it yesterday, so I was able to tag some of my trades. Stuff I need to avoid, stuff I disrespected. Um, and yeah, come check it out. So this is Mr. Profit. Check out what I offer. This is a platform I created myself. Anyway, created myself for day traders. So looking forward to the open. We have SOBR and LABT. Not much movement here, low volume. SOBR has more volume here. Just a tiny bit more. It might be worth an opportunity here. It could be a massive drop down to here, which I have to expect the unexpected on the stock market. Anything could happen, you know? They could drop. All right, here we go. We're gonna trade SOBR here. I think we're gonna make a move to $1. So taking one share here. Yeah, so immediately there, move to $1. Hopefully we trend higher with this move to $1. So let's see. 99. Resistance at 1. So 10 seconds for this next candle. Let's see how much this dip is going to hold. 97 there. 97 again. 97, 96. Pretty wild volatility here. 9 again. So we have this low 96. We'll see how well this wants to hold 96 for the confirmation break of $1. I'll get in here 97 too. Lucky fill. So hopefully we hold here. Nope. So we're gonna have to take this 94. I'll take it. 96 here. So break is going to be so as long as you don't break 95, I think I'm good. $1. See if we can get a move over $1. Struggling there. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be there? The candle finished red. Okay, took half out right here, 98. Just to reduce some risk here. Don't have much size. I want to be able to test the waters first. This might be just choppy action. Once we start trending, it can be much cleaner and I can size up. Here we go. So nice. Okay, so we made that break. It was difficult to get that break, but we're gonna take it. 400 shares. Now let's begin to size up here. We can grab a dip. 103 was a target. So let's see if we can get a dip here. Dip at 1. Turn 1. This ain't going to dip. Let's do it. So average is 1. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I need to see my entry. 104. 104 and a half was my entry. A bit high, but it looked like it would push here. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Taking some 8. Taking some 10. Okay, good. So now let's see if we can grab a. Now we need to size up a little more. We have some good moves here. So let's size up 1.8. Doesn't hold 106 here. We may see a dip. Get rid of this green line. 102. It grinded its way there, but we made it happen. 103, 102. I could get 99 here. Could dip at like right under 1 or right at $1. Watching. What else people are saying? XII. Stop is 99 here. So 101. Stop is 99. So 104 there. Looking for this to give me a move. Looking for this to hold that dip. Doesn't look like it. It's fighting 101. Gonna give it a sec. Nice. 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 So taking 800 out right here. Good move. Okay, excellent. So took that trade right there. Now 106. Taking another 300 here. So that's a yeah, that's a good exit. So 200 here, working with 200. So dialed in that dip. When it works amazingly, brother. You know? Okay, so now we're getting a rejection here. Let's see if we can hold $1. So the next target on this is 150. It's a ways away, but I think once we start opening up, We try to open up here. We didn't quite get all the way there, but so keeping 200 in the game. Keeping 200 in the game. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what it can do. I mean, if it's gonna hold 99 $1, I'm in there. This is a great action after like 2 weeks of nonsense. Part of it was kind of me um, not respecting my rules, over trading. So this month we're gonna dial it in. We're not gonna go crazy with massive size trying to compensate for trades that I miss. So we'll see. We'll just give a quick move here. We're at the open. We're still 10 minutes in. Could give a massive move here. Took it out 105, 106. We're at 107 so far. I want to add, but I want to add it a little higher. Don't want to add here just yet. So if it breaks 99, I have to get out. So here's a level of support where I believe algos are going to pick it up again at $1. It's a very strong level. Psychological level. Ooh, my goodness. Okay. All right, let's go. Hopefully this is not it. This is not the end of it. Let's see if we can get a nice push here. I'll take 106. Added 200 right there, 106. 105 actually, very good fill. 108, I don't like that candle. Don't like that candle. Don't like that candle, gonna get out. Gonna get everything out. Don't like this candle at all. Got out 107. That's a strange candle, so I got out. Looks like people, yeah, looks like people took their profit up here. But I got out 107. Wow, it's gonna reclaim. All right, let's look for the next trade. Says it went all the way down to $1. Which I didn't actually see it. So here we go. 419. Broke 406. Not yet. Just to follow these levels, we have some few gaps, few stripes, red stripes here, not good. No. Okay, it looks like this thing, it's a weird chart here with this heavy rejection. I have low confidence on this. 10, if it starts to hold 10, it could push here. I don't have the most confidence, but let's see if it's gonna hold 10 here. Micro or no micro? Okay, sweet. Sweet, okay. Okay, I'm getting more confirmation here. Looks like green on the tape does work. It does seem to work. 14 now, is that high? High on this is 19. So let's see what it wants to do here. 26 is the cold level. So we're going to see this here. I'm starting to like it a little more here because it looks like it might squeeze. Dip. Ooh, no, thank you. No thanks. I was hoping that green would continue. 14 though could hold. 14 could hold. Let's try it. No, out. Out there. Look like I might skip 2 cents, but okay. 14 is going to hold here. Mm, 10. Maybe closer to 10. Let me see if I can get it closer to 10. All right, looks like that held. The 14 held. Ladies and gents, I was wrong. Oh, choppy. Yeah, this choppy. So let's see if we can get a dip here. 13, 10. Looking for that dip. That could be a good dip, actually. Anywhere at 13 and 10. 12. Ooh, 11. Fine, I'll take 11. It's holding here. Nice. You just gotta dive in onto those dips. No, I didn't like this. Oh, I don't like this stall right at 13. But okay, fine. I'll take half the size now. That's okay. Nice. Cool. So took some out right here. Man, I took half at 13 for like 1 cent. I just did not like the stall. Whatever. It's okay. So pushing here, good push 17. We're gonna add here if it wants to keep going. Stop his break even on the rest. Go straight into a hold. Here you got a hold 17. 19. Out there. Out 19. I tried to get it above 20, but I was not able to get it. Okay. What a beautiful dip, though. That's an amazing dip. Okay, looks like momentum's picking up for May. This is quite nice. But back to 19. Back to 19. Can you hold 17? Can you hold 17? Yes, 17 hold. Nice. Taking half here. All right, let's see. 17 is gonna hold. 22, very good. 24, very nice. Man, these dips are performing really well. Taking it out 20. Okay, excellent. So I need to size up. Let's pull some big guns here. That was a gap and go. Nice. Held 17. Looks like shorts might be in a little bit of trouble here, so risking just a bit. So through 24 to 30. TLIH. What's this? 24 as well. So 24. Here we go. Need to fold 24. Nope. This candle needs to finish above 34. 24. You catch that, move to 30. So 30 seconds here. 23, 22. No, not yet. Gotta be patient there. Gotta be patient on this. No. So good trading so far. Excellent trading. Let's stay patient here. Unless it's gonna break 26, 24, and going higher, I'm not gonna trade it. First 30 minutes, great job. TLIH just started popping up. Volume is light. Do we have news? Not real news, it seems like. Yesterday, good financial results. Here's good financial results. Here we go. Ooh, '09, hold down is '06. Careful. Hold down '06. False holds. Back over 10. Back over 10. Might break 10. Come back to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 3. G's. Holding down. Okay. Doesn't want to hold down, it seems like. Oh. Don't have a setup here. I mean, my setup would be this entry down here below 1. Or a gap reclaim here, which it can still do 7 seconds. Probably it's not going to do it. So we're going to close that. Red gap being formed. Just going to leave it alone. Okay. There was a massive bid at 14. This could give a surprise move here. This could give a kind of a surprise move. There's a massive bid at 14. High of this is 11. Look at that bid at 14. Is it going anywhere? Bro, top of the gap here, but we're in a red gap. I don't know, but this massive bid looks good. This massive bid looks nice, looks juicy. We put some massive bid like that in. Fine, I'll get in here 15. We go back to 14. No. Dang it. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Lost $1 there. I was expecting that move right away. All right, that trade can be avoided. Red gap, no thanks. If it would have worked, great, but massive bid is not doing anything. It's not sending it. I'll wait until it sends it. But this is a red gap, short signal. TLIH, there are buyers on this, it seems like, who want to see this thing pop. So maybe I can get a trade at 50s. Give a nice dip around 50s. Low the gap right there is 37. Hold down is 25. Don't think it'll hold down, but I think it could give a nice reclaim. Buyers might be sitting down there. Volume is all right. Mm, It's this level, 52. Yeah, all those are picking it up right under VWAP 75. We shall see. This thing, man. Bad gap, but it's holding right here. This thing can be good. $4. If it can pull 4. If it can hold, yeah, $4. Fine, I'll get in there. Got in there 15, bro. Trying to get it under 10. $15. Let me reduce some risk here. Let me reduce some risk here. Let me reduce some risk here. No, probably not. Ah, no, 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 no. 93 was that low, but seems like it's like not going to work. I tried to get it right under 10. Got filled 15. Gotta try small size. I'll try even smaller size here. Gotta protect them profits. Protect them profits. 93 keeps holding. Holding this gap, brothers. Let's see it. Nope. Failing. I got 2 losses right here. So gotta be more patient and make sure my next trade is a win. Four. $4.06. This next candle needs to give me a dip. Give a dip, and then we'll send it. Send this thing to the hold up. Give a dip. Give a dip. Fine, I'll get in here 20. Super tight stop needs to go now. Needs to go now. No. Needs to go now. I got in pretty high. I'll wait for a dip. 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 And no dip, bro. This thing sucks, man. No dip. This thing sucks. Didn't really break 20, did it? Went to 19. Dang it. So missing that trade there. Really hard to time. So I didn't want to miss the dip, so I got out pretty flat. Here we go, dip right here. Dip below 20. 406 being the level, the stop. $4 being the stop. Heavy selling. A lot of volume there. It has to look that it could push pretty fast. Has that look, it has that movement. Dang. That's still a good gap there. Dang. Dang. Could still be a good gap. Needs to hold over 90, 80, 70. Jeez. So it's been accumulating through this area. Let's see. Looks like we might get a nice push here. Let's try a small size. Make sure I get comfortable in here. 18 is that low. If the market was hot, I'd be getting in here. If this stock can make a move, let's see if we can get a dip, please. Give a dip. 922, 24.5. And a pretty high. Don't really like it up there. We'll stick with it. We'll stick with it. Mm. I gotta get out. Dang it. So maybe I get a dip now down here. 18, 20. Going in with small size too, so it's not that much. 18. Oh, 19. Ah, got caught. Ah. Man, okay. Dang it. I got called for 60 bucks on those two trades. And I think that's it. I don't want to lose any more. Two bad trades can do that to you. All right, I think we're gonna call it here. Up 140. We gave back quite a bit off the top today. We gave up like 1,000 off the top, I believe. Let's see. No, not 1,000. Jeez, we got 100 off the top right here in all these trades. Um, yeah, heights of 250, finishing 240. Not good, not good, not good. We had some good moves, I must say. We had some good moves at the beginning, so let's check this out. So, uh, yeah, we have amazing move right here in a 96. Out right here 98, thinking it wasn't going to work. It was struggling. I added right here 104. I took some out 105, added 104, and I took everything out 108, 109. Excellent trade. Beautiful trade. Not much size on it, but taking it easy on a slowish day. Well, the first trade was a loss here. Looking going for a micro pullback. Notice that I get in a little too high, then I think I tried it again. Yeah, I tried it again right away. Next trade was also a nice winner. Let's see. So next trade was grabbing that dip 101, taking some out 105. Yeah, taking some out 105. Okay, cool. So like this. Adding 105 again. Right, so because it went all the way up here to like 19. And then it came all the way down to 1. I didn't see 1, but I added 105. And then I noticed this candle closed really bad, and then I just took it out 107. All right. Next, we got a small loss here. Micro pullback, keeping it tight. Got a beautiful winner right here in a 19. No, sorry, in a 12. Took it out too soon. Took out took it out too soon at 13. Man, okay. Anyways, take the rest out 17, 19. Too soon I took that out. Could have waited a little longer, but that's okay. We're trading in a slower market, so that's all right. 18 here, took it out. 19, 22. Yeah, fair trade. It's not bouncy. It's not as bouncy as I would like it to be, but it gave some good bounces, but not as strong, right? I will size up to 3.5K. You just wait. Anyway, I try to dip. Man, this is too high, bro. This is just too high. Too high. 24. It looked very strong that it was going to squeeze out 21. Then immediately I tried another one. I tried another one right here. 18, but man, I got caught 14. So caught right here for 30 and 40. So lost a lot. Don't like to see that, but lost quite a bit on those. TLIH, I try to go for a gap and go here. Nope, did not work. Try to do a breakout here as it dipped, moved higher, 420. I'm thinking this is not going to dip, it's just going to go straight up. And it sort of did, but it lingered around 420 for too long. It looked like it was going to break. Took it off flat. Anyway, not a great stock. Yeah, not a great stock. Anyway, that's it for today. 5 winners, 6 losers. Trying to trade less. Taking smaller size. Holding my winners for longer. Yep. Sadly gave back too much of the top 100. So we're not going to go to red. Whatever we do, we got to stay green, stay green. Grind on smaller numbers. Every day needs to be green this month. Will be green. We'll try it. We'll try it. We'll give it a try. All right. Or small red. Anyway, last month we finished 1.2. Yeah. Anyway, we moved the page, turned the page. Now we're in May. I'm going on vacation, so I'll be gone for 2 weeks. I don't know if I'll have fast internet to post, so to upload videos, but nevertheless, I will try. All right. Anyway, oh, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account because I just dropped the feature a lot of users have been asking for, which is um, tags. So now you can come over here and tag your trades. I wanted to avoid this tag. Yes, not avoid this tag, avoid this trade because I'm buying at the top. Like, don't buy at the top, brother. Just don't buy at the top. Avoid it. Oh, anyway, you can tag your trades. Awesome trades. Let's see this. What can I tag this with? For me, this was a clear gap and go trade. So I'm going to go here and gap and go. Add the tag. Beautiful. So let's do that. Anyway, I'll continue to tag my trades, but come over here, import your trades and tag it. And you can also filter them. Filter by the tags. Apply the filter. And that tag gave me $100. So I've been tagging my stuff. So come check it out. Mr. Profit, try it for 7 days, free trial. Or try it absolutely for free. Just select the date, select today's date, select your broker, add your file, and it's 100% free. Your data is never stored, so it only works for 1 day though. So you come every day here after trading, upload it, check out your stats. Now here we go. We have all our features. So we'll check out all our features. Our best features are obviously the performance and the charts, our best features. Anyway, join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Tags are free. Tags are 100% free. So if you have the starter package, 100 trade imports a month, you have free tags. Anyway, so come over to Mr. Profit. Hit me up on Discord. If you have any questions, you need help with trading. I'm growing this community, and I'm going to start more things, more connection with the community. So stay tuned. So I'll see you next week.